And there he is, Rick in his van. Tonight on Top Gear, two Doblos head for the beach.
The best beach in the world. Yeah, I'm stuck.
Oh, you are stuck? Mate. Well, you know the rules, mate. That's unfortunate. Tough titty. Bye.
Oh, thanks.
Holy hell, I fit under that. No way. Oh, come on, please, get out, get out. So next stop is Bangor. Bangor, a Bellino. Aye. So Rick sent me a video message that he's now left and he's now on his way. And he's suffering from the same problem that I've got. No aircon in the van. He asked me how my night went last night and I told him the Eva Polar was the MVP last night because it was like 28 degrees. It was just horrific. So I'm heading to Bangor and I'm going to try and get some antihistamines, a nasal spray and maybe eye drops. Bangor! Oh, petrol's only 128.9 pence. Cannot grumble with that. That's cheaper than what it was when I left Glasgow. Gimme it. Oh, the big Tesco as well. Oh, we're sorted here. Do you know what, let's go into Tesco first and we'll get some stuff and then come back. So I think Bangor is actually one of the oldest towns or cities in Wales, if I'm right. Like a glove. Right, fully loaded. Let's get some cheap petrol. On my watch it's saying it's 23 degrees. Somebody's lying because it feels warmer than what it was yesterday. Legal. We just got here just in the nick of time. So I don't know if you saw that, but when we left they were basically putting signs to say they're out of fuel. No wonder with prices like that. Stunning, innit? So one of my favourite game developers is Bethesda, that make Fallout and stuff like that. We're coming up to a wee town called Bethesda. It's cracking. So I'm heading just now to go and meet Rick and it's at the copper mines. It is baking in this van. It's so bad. So I think I've read it wrong. I think it's the Saigon copper mine, and if it is the case then we're 40 minutes away. I don't know how I managed that. Might say to Rick to come back to these wee spots or even go to that lake down the bottom there, go paddleboarding. But it is going to be one of those ones where, you know, you need to try and get there before the spaces are took. However, we are going to the beach, so we're guaranteed a spot. And also because it's a weekend, by the time we get to all of these places it'll be midweek, so they should be pretty quiet, hopefully. Nice. Well done. Jesus, they're all just parked on the road. So it gets busy. That's the thing though, you can't just park wherever you want. There was traffic wardens back there in the middle of nowhere. Some of them are just on the road. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just wait out here for Rick. So I did drive up to the top of the mine hoping for a wee bit of shade, but there was just nothing there. That's how hot it is in the van just now. Don't know if you can see it. So I'm having to create my own wee bit of shade here. And there he is, Rick in his van. I'm just going to follow him because he's been to Wales and he knows where he's going. So if you want to see everything from his side, go to his channel. If you want to see it from my side, then you know what to do. And we are away. Aye, let's do it, man. We were going to hit a few wee lakes and stuff up the top, but they were just mobbed. You saw as we were driving down, so I think where this road's taking us, it's taking us to the coast, so we may as well just head there before the gates shut. Tonight on Top Gear, two Doblos head for the beach.
The best beach in the world.
This isn't you take me somewhere for pineapples, is it? You literally made that with the skin of your teeth, mate. Surely we must be close to this beach.
The beach is heaving. Jesus, man, this is sketchy. There's people bogging out and all sorts.
Oh man, I think I'm going to get bottomed out on this.
Yeah, I'm stuck.
No way. Oh, you are stuck?
I am revving the life out the van. I'm not going anywhere, mate.
Well, you know the rules, mate. That's unfortunate. Tough titty. Bye.
Oh, thanks.
Listen, Rick was the one that said if any of us get stuck or break down, the other one needs to press on without them. So I feel it's only right to set the example. He set it forth. Oh shit, I'm stuck now as well. No, I'm stuck. This might have been a mistake. Rick's stuck and I've just got myself out. You can see Rick's stuck. Listen, if anybody was going to get stuck, I thought it was going to be me with my low fuel tank. Oh, is he it? Hey! It's one of the ones you just have to fit down and go for it.
My clutch was burning. My fuel's just gone. I literally like flooring it.
That was lucky,
It
man.
looked flat. It looked rock hard, and all of a sudden he just went this over a dip. It just went donk.
So we've managed to get on the beach, as you can see. But he's got more sand in his Doblo than he has in the beach. We're going to move down a bit because this feels like the entrance. Rick says aye, but he says he's too scared now. My only concern is the shoreline. There's seaweed and stuff everywhere, but I don't know how far the tide comes up. I might go down a bit, Rick. He's away all there. When two Doblos collide. There you are. So busy, man. But what a place. Well, let's get Rick filming for his channel. This is what a YouTuber looks like, filming himself.
YouTuber. Yeah, I am.
I've saw your van before. Are you Rick in his van?
I am, mate.
Oh, how you doing, buddy? Brilliant. So just an update on the beach activities. When we got here, Rick managed to get himself bogged down, and it took about 12 people to try and dig him out. I did get bogged down, but I reversed myself out because obviously I'm a better driver than Rick. But the situation as it is, we've had a beer and just sitting talking. If you remember in this bit here, the tide was miles out. This is how close it is now. So, aye, we need to move. So we're going to move up a wee bit in hopes that we don't get bogged down. The guys did come around and say the place closes in 3 minutes, but I feel that's just a warning that, you know, you're going to be locked in here till 9. They did say it's going to be high tide, but I think they're just saying that so that it deters people from staying here. So we're thinking if we come up this way, it's going to be a lot safer. We'll see, because we did both get stuck, so there is that. See, it looks a lot wider up here.
That was a bad idea.
Yeah, I'm not trying that because my wheels will just buckle between themselves. I think the guys are on their way back down. They're going to be like, why did you move all the way down here when we shut in 2 minutes?
I just picked up his radio. They must be on Channel 2.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I do. Oh yeah. Easy.
There's Wayne's on this channel. So we moved in a wee bit and the tide, as you can see, is pretty much gone. So I can't really see it coming up here. Rick's in doing a pee just now. I think we might get some dinner on and just chill, but aye, see you in a bit.
If we can get a park up here, just get some chips.
Aye, let's do it. It's like the sound of music in it.
And up we go. I mean, this is going to be a steep hill.